HICOCA Stick Noodle Flat Bag Packing Machine. It is a latest self-developed packaging equipment. Each system of the weighing machine is driven by a separate motor. The weighing machine is high weighing accuracy, adopting hopper-type lifting and conveying mode, minimizes the generation of broken noodles and crumbs. The packaging machine offers high compatibility, compatible with both composite films and PE bag films, handling various package sizes, 1.5 kilogram to 2.5 kilograms standard, 4-5 packages per minute, 5 kilograms standard, 3-4 packages per minute, 10 kilograms flat bag, 1-2 packages per minute. The package ensures reliable and tight seals. The package ensures reliable and tight seals, produces neat and attractive packages. The packing machine is now inclusively applied in the market.